So dear students, let's start reading lesson number 1, A Tale of Two Birds. Alright, here are some key points about which we are going to read today. A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to read out the first para for you. So look into your books carefully and listen. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. So, this story is all about a mother bird and her two young ones in a forest. The mother bird was taking care of her babies in a tall, shady tree. Alright, means a very big tree, shady tree. You can see the picture of the tree. In this tree, the bird lived with newborn babies. Okay, so what happened next? One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. So, there are the words thunder and lightning. Everybody knows about these words, right? Different conditions of the weather. When it is the time of rain, you can see the lightning and thunder in the sky. All right. Fortunately, by luck, luckily, happily. All right. The robbers. Robbers means person who commits robbery, thief. All right. And then blew down. Here is the phrase blew away, right? Blew them down or blew away, which means to make fall. Okay, so what happened? One day a fierce storm came and it made all the tree fall down. Okay, yes, you can see the big storm was there, lightning, thunder, rain, everything was there, and because of the one day fierce storm came and it made all the trees fall down. A big branch hit the nest and the mother bird was killed. Okay, but luckily, fortunately, the baby birds were blown down to the other side of the forest and were saved. One of them reached a cave of robbers, gang of robbers near the cave of robbers, and the other one landed near Rishi's ashram. Where? Near Rishi's ashram. Alright, so the other landed outside Rishi's ashram a little distance away. You can see what? The tree. Alright, a branch hit the tree, and yes, you can see the mother bird was killed, right? And one bird lies outside the Rishi's ashram, and another was, you can see, other side of the forest near the cave of robbers. Alright, done. Okay, now turn the page. Now day passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. Right, here is the word hunt, H-U-N-T, hunt, which means to chase and try to catch someone. So after a few days the baby birds became bigger. Okay, and one day the king of the country reached the forest. All right, he came to the forest for the hunting. He was searching for someone, and while hunting he noticed a deer and started chasing it. Rode after it, started chasing it. The deer ran after away into the forest. Chasing the deer on horse, the king lost his way. Right, soon the king lost his way because he was following the... Look at the next para. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up, there's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse." Hurry or else he will slip away. The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly caught on to his horse and rode away as fast as he could. So what happened? He rode on for a long time. The king kept riding and reached the other side of the forest. He got down from his horse as he was tired and sat under a tree near the cave. As he saw, he was chasing the deer, but because he lost his way, he got tired. He sat under a tree near the cave. All of a sudden, he heard a voice asking to be quick and rob the person outside of his everything jewels horse. The king was surprised to hear that and looked up to check. He noticed a big brown bird on that tree and faint noises coming from the cave. Quickly he mounted the horse and ran away. Means he was sitting under the tree. He heard the noises. He heard the noise from the tree. A bird was saying and he was calling someone to come out and take all the jewels of king. The king got scared and he ran away as fast as he could.